Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Walt, and here we are with our 56th principle here in the series of 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So let's dive on into this fun principle and whatnot. So yeah, it's an interesting principle. This one is about avoiding advertisements, and oh boy, is that a necessary thing. See, the thing about advertisements is the fact that they are meant to make you feel bad about who you are, what you do, all that kind of stuff. Advertisements are there to make you feel like you don't have, the thing you really want. And that's basically their whole purpose, is to say, hey, you don't have something, so buy this product and you'll feel better. But of course, people will buy this product and not feel better, because then they can sell you something else and something else and something else. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with capitalism. Capitalism is a beautiful thing that is, how everything works. You need capitalism around. And so without capitalism, everything falls apart. There's been no known system that cannot work without a form of capitalism. That said, you need to properly regulate capitalism. So you can't let, capitalism turn into oligarchy and such, which it can do in, places where you don't properly end up doing this and such. And so, yeah, you need to regulate capitalism, right? And so, of course, this means regulation of advertisements in the right departments. It doesn't mean no ads. I mean, ads are how a lot of people get money for things. And, ads can be a good thing, okay? It's just you want to avoid having too many of them in your life, okay? And you also want to avoid having ads that are not related to things you want. I mean, this is the whole thing. I don't think anybody really likes ads. They're kind of a necessary evil kind of component of everything. But I mean, yeah, ads are something that if you watch too many of them, you'll feel bad about yourself, because that's what they intend to do. Now, I'm not saying you can't ever watch an ad. Some ads can be fun, and of course, like Super Bowl commercials, you can't not watch those. But advertisements are just meant to lure you into feeling like you're not enough. You can only be enough if you buy these products. Now, that's what a lot of ads will do. Okay, some of them will be better than others, but many of them are based on fear. And anything based on fear is a problem here. It's the whole, you're not good enough as you are right now. You need to buy our product, in order to, be better and stuff. Why be you when you can be new, kind of slogan to go to. And I would say that that's just the problem here, is you don't want that. You want a life where you can live your life feeling like, I am good enough, I am somebody, I can do what I want to do, I am the greatest. You want to live a life like that, and so avoiding advertisements is a good idea. Anyway, that is about it for this principle. I am Walt, and I will see you guys next time with our next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.